Okay, so we're going to have a look at another question from the 2022 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. So this is question 25. So we're told the table shows the future value of an annuity, of $1. So this is how much you get at the end of the number of years with the interest rate if you deposit $1 each year. So we're told Zal is saving for a trip and estimates he'll need $15,000. So he needs a future value of $15,000. He opens an account earning 3% per annum compounded annually. How much does he need to deposit every year if he wishes to have enough money for the trip in 4 years' time? Okay, so he gets 3%, 4 years. If he deposits $1 each year, he will end up with $4.184 at the end of the 4 years. So he needs to deposit X dollars to end up with $15,000 at the end of the 4 years. We can think of this as a pair of ratios. So X on 15,000 is equal to 1 on 4.184. If we multiply both sides by 15,000, 5000, this gives us the amount he needs to deposit each year is equal to 15,000 divided by 4.184. So 15000 divided by 4.184 is 3,585. So this is 3,585.0860 ... Now we need to round this up to the next cent because he needs to have at least 15,000. So this will be $3,585.09. Now this will be the answer to part A. So now that we've found how much he needs to deposit each year, so we can say therefore X is equal to 3,585.09 to the nearest cent, or to the next cent. Now part B says how much interest will he earn on his investments over the 4 years? Give your answer to the nearest dollar. So he has to deposit this much each year and he will get 15,000 back. So the interest will be the amount he gets back minus 4 lots of the deposit, 3,585.09. So we'll put this into our calculator. This is 15,000 minus 4 times 3,585.09. That is 659.64. 659 and 64 cents. Now to the nearest dollar, the interest is $660. And this is to the nearest dollar. So this is the answer to part B. In terms of the marking, for the first part, you'll get 1 mark for an attempt to solve this question, trying to set up the problem with ratios, trying to divide by the terms, but not getting the correct answer. For the second mark, you will need to get 3,585.09. For the first mark for part B, you will need to attempt to relate the interest to the payment from part A. And for the second mark, you'll need to have $660 to the nearest dollar. So this is how we answer this question, and this is the approximate marking.